Looking for the best Instant Pot steamer baskets? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Instant Pot steamer baskets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Kitchen Deluxe, Premium Vegetable Steamer Basket. Pros: stainless steel construction, dishwasher safe, adjustable size, fits a variety of pressure cookers and stove-top pans, keeps liquid below what you're steaming, removable inner ring, comes in a variety of sizes, comes with extras, can hold a lot of vegetables, easy to lift out using included tools. Cons: the stainless steel may be rust-free, but the nut securing the handle isn't, and it can spread rusty liquid elsewhere. Bottom line: use this collapsible steamer basket both in your Instant Pot and in standard stove-top pans. At number 2. Salbri, the original Salbri Instant Pot steamer basket accessories. Pros: comes in a variety of sizes to fit your pressure cooker, stainless steel construction, dishwasher safe, handle has been tested to lift more than 20 pounds, no silicone legs to harbor bacteria, 3/4 inch steel legs keeps your food out of the water, removable, adjustable handle, easy to put in and take out. Cons: removable handle sometimes comes off when you don't want it to. Bottom line: tall, sturdy side keeps your food in the basket and out of your steaming water. At number 1. Instant Pot, Official Large Mesh Steamer Basket. Pros: versatile design by Instant Pot with raised legs that keep food elevated from the water. Smart lift handle is strong and makes removing the basket from the unit simple. Made of dishwasher safe stainless steel. Can double as a strainer. Cons: this basket fits both 6 and 8-quart Instant Pots, but the trade-off is that it doesn't maximize the cook space when used in 8-quart units. Bottom line: a durable, well-made steamer basket by Instant Pot with few concerns and many satisfied owners. A good choice for anyone who wants to stick with genuine Instant Pot accessories. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.